Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use transparent background on pages in Affinity. So I'm going to open up Affinity right here and I'm going to create a new page. And during the setup of this, you will see how you can use transparent background in Affinity. And this is much like you're using, for example, Photoshop and so forth. So I know that I'm inside. I'm going to choose the new on the upper right hand side and just choose a blank right here page. And the right hand side, all you have to do if you want to use the transparent background. And from here, you want to go ahead and just toggle on transparent background on the right hand side. So here you can find it below the color profile. Just simple toggle on transparent background. And so when you open up your project or click on create document, you will see that it now uses transparent background on your artboard. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how to go ahead and create a new document with transparent background in Affinity.